Hey guys, welcome to this video where we'll talk about the benefits of using Chat GPT. Chat GPT is an advanced artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI that can understand and generate natural language. In this video, we'll explore how you can use Chat GPT to make your life easier and more productive. Number one is saving time and effort. One of the biggest benefits of using ChatGPT is that it saves your time and effort. You can automate tasks that previously required manual effort. You can use ChatGPT to generate reports, summaries, and other documents. This can be a huge time saver, especially if you have to generate reports frequently. Number two is increasing productivity. Using ChatGPT can increase productivity by allowing you to focus on the more important tasks. For example, instead of spending hours writing a report, you can use ChatGPT to generate a first draft really quickly. You can then focus on editing and improving the report rather than starting from the scratch. Next is improving communication. I think it helps improve communication because it can help you generate emails, chat messages, and other forms of communication quickly and more accurately. This can be especially useful for business communication where you need to convey information clearly and quickly. ChatGPT can also provide personalized assistance. For example, it can help you plan your day, remind you of your appointments, and provide recommendations based on interest and preferences. This can be especially useful if you have a busy schedule or you need help managing your time more effectively. Next is enhanced learning. It can help you understand complex concepts by breaking them down into simpler terms. It can also provide real-time feedback on your writing, helping you improve your grammar, spelling, and vocabulary. ChatGPT offers flexibility as it can be used in a variety of applications. For example, it can be integrated into chatbots, virtual assistants, and other artificial intelligence powered systems. This means it can be used in many different contexts, from computer services to personal productivity. It can help you avoid errors, mistakes such as typos and grammatical errors that you can make when you're writing. This can be especially useful in business settings where accuracy and attention to detail are extremely crucial. In conclusion, I want to say that ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you save time, increase productivity, improve communication, provide personal assistance, enhance learning, offer flexibility, increase accuracy. Whether you're a busy professional or you're a student, ChatGPT can help you achieve your goals and get things done more efficiently. So give it a try and see how it can make your life easy and more productive. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to know more about ChatGPT or if you want me to demonstrate how to use it by sharing my computer screen, let me know. I'll create a video on that. For now, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.